on Facebook, I read the interesting comment. What gonna happen if you put sausage in a shotgun barrel and shoot? I'm like, that's stupid. Hell, why not? This sausage is from $3 from this shotgun. So I switched to my glasses camera and let's do it. Here is the shotgun. Here is our special, oh, I've cut it. Itch. And, oh, come on. That was unexpected. Let's bring it slightly. Let's slightly flip it. Okay. Okay. You know, I was like kind of, I don't know why, but it's kind of scary when I'm stuck in it into my barrel. I think that's the max. All right. Let's do it like this. Gonna be even more fun. All right. On count 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh. I didn't switch from the safety, I guess. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. That's what's gonna happen. So don't repeat it, guys, at home. It's kind of fucking dangerous. So, it's not that stupid question. It was in the comments. What sausage is gonna do to your barrel? Actually, this is what it's gonna do. Don't repeat it, guys, at home. Because it is dangerous. Chicken. This fucking chicken is tough. A tough chicken. Dollar store fucking tough chicken. Yeah. Advertisement. I'm not sponsored yet, but if this product maker looks at this video, you can sponsor. I don't mind. And by the way, I found our sausage. See? It's all over the wall in tiny, tiny pieces.